In this lesson, I will show you how to draw a line at an angle to other geometry in QCAD. And to draw a line at an angle to other geometry, first let's draw a sample geometry, for example line, and select line from 2 points, and as the first point select 0, 0, and as the next point select this point, and let's draw another segment of this line, for example like this. Okay. And to draw a line at an angle to this line, select from the line tools, select the command relative angle, and now specify the relative angle, for example 45 degree, and length of this line, for example 100, and select reference point as, for example, start. And now indicate the line to which you want to draw a line at an angle of 35 degrees and a length of 100 mm, and select this line. And now place the beginning of the line in any point in the work area, or use the command line and enter specific coordinates of the start point of the line. You can also use specific point of other geometry, for example middle, and place the line here. Okay, right click to cancel this command.